Step right up, grab those safety goggles, and welcome to the Wacky Magician's Neon Science Lab. I am absolutely thrilled you're here today. In this magical explainer, we are going to explore some of the most spectacular, mind-bending illusions in the entire world. But I've got to let you in on the greatest secret of all. The magic we're doing today in this bright, glowing neon lab, it isn't a trick at all. It's actually science. We are going to look at how everyday matter completely changes its state, literally right before our very eyes. So are you ready to see some science magic? Because I certainly am. We're going to uncover the incredible, totally invisible secrets behind how things change from liquids to gases and solids to liquids. Honestly, by the end of this, you are going to have the ultimate magician's handbook, which, let's be real, is really just a scientist's notebook. Okay, let's dive right into this. All right, ladies and gentlemen, direct your attention to the center stage for Act 1, the disappearing water. Okay. Picture this. We take a totally normal pot full of liquid water and we place it right onto our glowing magic burner. We turn up the heat and suddenly, what happens? Ghostly swirling clouds start to rise up from the pot. Up, up, up they go into the air, and slowly the liquid water in the pot just completely vanishes. Poof! Gone. But hold on a second. Where did it go? Did it just magically disappear into nothing? Well, here is the brilliant science secret behind the trick. It's a magic word called evaporation. When you add heat to liquid water, like, say, boiling it on a stove, that water gets really, really hot. And when it gets hot enough, it actually turns into a completely different state. It turns into an invisible gas called water vapor. It literally evaporates right into the air all around us. So the water didn't disappear at all. It just kind of threw on an invisibility cloak and floated away as a gas. Better grab your winter coats because for Act 2, things are going to get pretty chilly. Welcome to the Frosty Snap. Imagine a simple bowl of liquid water sitting right here on the table. Now watch closely as I wave my magic neon wand over it, bringing a huge blast of super cold winter air, and snap! Instantly, that squishy, sloshy liquid water turns into a block of hard, solid ice. Now here's the crazy part. I didn't actually add anything to the bowl, I took something away. And this brilliantly illustrates our next magic word, freezing. If you take liquid water and stick it in a freezer where it's super cold, you are taking away the heat. And taking away heat turns that liquid water straight into solid ice. By freezing the water, you are actually changing the very properties of the water itself. It's just an amazing transformation. But notice the incredible difference between these two states of matter. Liquid water is, well, a liquid, which means it doesn't even have a shape of its own. It just sloshes around and takes the shape of whatever bowl or cup you put it in. But solid ice? Totally different. When water freezes, a wild bit of science magic happens. It expands. And expand just means to get bigger. That's right. Ice actually takes up way more space than the liquid water did. And it creates its very own hard shape. Okay, let's warm things back up, shall we? Step right into the sunshine for Act 3, the Meltdown. For this trick, we take a delicious, hard, solid chocolate bar. We set it down on a warm stage, or maybe you just leave it on a hot sidewalk on a really sunny summer day. You don't even have to touch it. You just sit back and watch, and slowly, that solid shape magically turns into a gooey, messy, incredibly delicious liquid puddle. The science secret behind this tasty transformation is melting. Adding heat turns a solid right back into a liquid. Think about it. If you take an ice cube out of a freezing cold freezer and bring it into a warm room, it melts into a liquid. The exact same thing happens to our solid chocolate bar when it sits out on that hot sidewalk. The heat changes the matter, turning it from a solid straight back into a liquid puddle. Now, you gotta prepare yourselves for something a little mysterious. Act 4 is an illusion known only as the crying can. So I reach deep into my magician's hat and I pull out an ice-cold can of soda. I set it down right here on the table. Now the can definitely isn't leaking, but suddenly, almost like magic, tiny drops of liquid water start to appear all over the outside of it. It seriously looks like the can is crying or like it's covered in morning dew. But where in the world did this water even come from? Well, the secret behind this crying can is a super cool process called condensation. Remember earlier when we talked about how there's invisible gas called water vapor floating all in the air around us? Well, when that invisible gas bumps into our freezing cold soda can, the can actually cools the water vapor down. Taking away that heat makes the gas turn right back into a liquid. It condenses into those wet drops of water right on the side of the can. It's literally a gas turning into a liquid right before your very eyes. Of course, every great magician has to face a challenge, so welcome to Act 5, the Change It Back Challenge. The big question is, can we undo our magic tricks? You see, some science magic can be totally reversed. If we take water and freeze it into an ice cube, we can easily change it back just by adding heat and melting it into liquid water again. Melts it, freeze it, melts it, freeze it. You could go back and forth doing that all day long. But other changes in matter are what we call permanent magic. If you crack an egg and fry it in a hot pan, you definitely can't unfry it. Or if you bake a birthday cake or burn a piece of wood in a campfire, those changes are forever. You just can't change them back into what they were before. And now it's time for the grand magic finale. Let's cue those imaginary sparkles and recap all the amazing secrets we've uncovered today. Let's see how this all builds together into our 4 magic words of science. First up, melting. Adding heat turns a solid into a liquid. Second, freezing. Taking away heat turns a liquid into a solid. Third, evaporation. Adding heat turns liquid water into an invisible gas. And fourth, condensation. Taking away heat cools that gas down and turns it back into liquid drops. It's amazing. Just by adding or taking away heat, we can completely change the state of matter. Now, I want to leave you with one final mystery to solve using your brand new science magic skills. If a magical rain puddle of liquid water is left outside in the hot, hot sun, what do you think will happen? Will that puddle get bigger? Will it get smaller? Or will it stay the exact same size? Really think about the heat coming from the sun. Think about our magic word, evaporation. If you guess that the heat will turn that liquid into a gas, making the puddle get smaller and smaller until it completely vanishes, you hit the nail right on the head. Science is literally everywhere around you. And now you know the magical secrets of how matter changes. Keep your eyes peeled for more magic out there in the world. Thanks so much for visiting the Neon Science Lab.